Bienvenidos de vuelta al canal de Spanish55. If you're diving into the beautiful world of Spanish, books could be your best partner. Today, I've got a treat for you. 7 books and audiobooks that are not just entertaining, but will also give your Spanish a real boost. And hey, these aren't your typical textbooks. They're captivating stories and insights from the Spanish-speaking world and beyond. I'll be making suggestions for every level, from beginner to advanced, so keep watching. But before we jump in, if you're craving interactive one-on-one Spanish conversations to practice your Spanish and to see where you stand in your learning journey, don't forget to check out Spanish55 for a free trial lesson by clicking on the link in the description. You're gonna love our experienced and knowledgeable coaches. To accompany your reading journey, we also have a video on the 7 must-watch movies to supercharge your Spanish learning. One of the books we recommend is also on this list. You'll soon find out which one. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. If you'd like to see a certain topic covered, let us know in the comments below. To start a great list of books, we have El Principito by Antoine de Saint-Exupéry. This universally loved tale, though seemingly simple, is layered with profound philosophical insights. This one wasn't originally written in Spanish, but chances are that you've read it in English or in French. So this novela will give you an incredible opportunity to call back and compare languages. Its clear and concise language will make you feel super confident in your Spanish, and the story's deeper meanings will encourage you to think critically. Plus, who doesn't love a good old deep chat? This is a beginner-level book that should be enjoyable for all learners. For some intermediate-level reading, you should check out Como agua para chocolate by Laura Esquivel. Surprise, it's this title again. More than just being a hit movie and one that we mentioned in our previous video about films that will help you learn Spanish, Como agua para chocolate, the novel, will introduce you into a world of romance, drama, and traditional Mexican recipes. Food for the brain and for el corazón. As you flip through the pages, you'll also pick up on some cool cultural nuances and idioms, making your reading experience both entertaining and educational. And if you've seen the movie, it'll give you a chance to spot the differences. Another intermediate title is Historia de una gaviota y del gato que le enseñó a volar by Luis Sepúlveda. This touching children's book can be easily enjoyed by adults and is not only engaging but also introduces you to everyday vocabulary. The dialogues between characters will help you understand sentence structures and conversational Spanish, making it feel like you're having a chat with friends at a Spanish cafe. And even though this book is by a Chilean author, it was originally published in Spain, giving it a background of both cultures, all rolled into one. How fun. All right, moving up in difficulty, we've got this intermediate to advanced level book, La sombra del viento by Carlos Ruiz Zafón. Imagine yourself wandering through the historic streets of Barcelona, uncovering secrets hidden in the shadows. This novel offers a blend of mystery, romance, and history, making it an excellent choice for you to familiarize yourself with different Spanish dialects and jargon. Plus, it's a fantastic way for you to pick up regional expressions and chat like a local as you peel back the onion in the author's mystery tale. Next, we have La Casa de los Espíritus by Isabel Allende, also for intermediate to advanced readers. Get lost in South American history and politics with Allende's detailed, rich, and compelling storytelling. Set against the backdrop of Chile's tumultuous history, this novel offers a rich blend of character development and intricate plot lines. Every chapter will leave you with new words and phrases to show off to your friends, and the descriptive settings will enhance your reading comprehension. Another fun fact, Chilean Spanish is one of the most complex variations of the language, and it stands in a world of its own among Spanish speakers. And with that, we've made it to one of our advanced reading choices. Cien años de soledad by Gabriel García Márquez, the classic to end all classics. Join virtually every single Spanish speaker in the journey deep into the magical town of Macondo. This novel is a masterclass in rich descriptive language, introducing you to a wide range of vocabulary and idiomatic expressions. The magical realism intertwined with Colombian history provides cultural insights, making your language journey more contextual and vivid. It'll make your vocabulary explode. Ready for a big challenge? We recommend Don Quijote de la Mancha by Miguel de Cervantes Saavedra. dive into the adventures of Don Quixote and see how Spanish has evolved over time. This epic tale offers a unique opportunity to understand the progress of language as you appreciate classical literature at the same time. This book is usually on the mandatory reading list in most Spanish-speaking country schools, and barely anyone gets through it. So if you do finish it, you'll earn some serious bragging rights. There you have it, 7 incredible books to supercharge your Spanish learning journey. If this video has been useful for you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. There's no better way to learn than to immerse yourself in captivating stories as you read and practice conversational Spanish. And if you ever feel stuck, Spanish55 has got your back. Remember what we said about that free trial lesson? You can get it swiftly and easily by clicking the link below. Hasta la próxima, amigos. I will see you in the next video.